You are happy, aren't you? Yes, I'm happy.
Why are you happy? Because I passed my exam.
You like coffee, don't you? Yes, I like coffee.
What kind of coffee do you like? I like black coffee.
It's warm today, isn't it? Yes, it's warm today.
Why do you like warm weather? Because I can go to the beach.
You've been to Italy, haven't you? Yes, I've been to Italy.
What did you like most about Italy? I loved the food in Italy.
You don't eat meat, do you? No, I don't eat meat.
Why don't you eat meat? Because I prefer vegetarian food.
You speak French, don't you? Yes, I speak a little French.
Where did you learn French? I learned French in school.
You're studying tonight, aren't you? Yes, I'm studying tonight.
What are you studying tonight? I'm studying for my English test.
You have a pet, don't you? Yes, I have a pet.
What kind of pet do you have? I have a dog.
It's your birthday tomorrow, isn't it? Yes, it's my birthday tomorrow.
How do you plan to celebrate your birthday? I'm having a small party with friends.
You play the guitar, don't you? Yes, I play the guitar.
Why did you choose to play the guitar? Because I love music.
You've seen this movie before, haven't you? No, I haven't seen this movie before.
What kind of movies do you like? I like action movies.
You're going on vacation soon, aren't you? Yes, I'm going on vacation soon.
Where are you going on vacation? I'm going to Hawaii.
You like to read, don't you? Yes, I like to read.
What is your favorite book? My favorite book is The Great Gatsby.
You exercise regularly, don't you? Yes, I exercise regularly.
What kind of exercise do you do? I enjoy jogging in the park.
You were late this morning, weren't you? Yes, I was late this morning.
Why were you late this morning? Because I missed the bus.
You've finished your homework, haven't you? Yes, I've finished my homework.
Why do you always finish your homework early? Because I like to have free time in the evening.
You're from Canada, aren't you? Yes, I'm from Canada.
What do you like most about Canada? I love the beautiful landscapes.
You're planning to learn a new language, aren't you? Yes, I'm planning to learn a new language.
Which language are you planning to learn? I want to learn Spanish.
You enjoy cooking, don't you? Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite dish to cook? My favorite dish to cook is lasagna.
You have siblings, don't you? Yes, I have siblings.
How many siblings do you have? I have 2 siblings.
You were at the concert last night, weren't you? Yes, I was at the concert last night.
How was the concert last night? The concert was amazing.
You're taking a day off next week, aren't you? Yes, I'm taking a day off next week.
Why are you taking a day off? Because I need a break.
You drink tea every morning, don't you? Yes, I drink tea every morning.
Why do you prefer tea in the morning? Because it starts my day on a calm note.
You've traveled abroad, haven't you? Yes, I've traveled abroad.
Which country was your favorite to visit? My favorite was Japan for its culture.
You're not a fan of cold weather, are you? No, I'm not a fan of cold weather.
What do you dislike about cold weather? It makes me feel less energetic.
You're good at math, aren't you? Yes, I'm good at math.
Why do you think you excel at math? I enjoy solving problems, it's like a puzzle.
You have a test tomorrow, don't you? Yes, I have a test tomorrow.
What subject is the test in? The test is in English literature.
You're saving up for a car, aren't you? Yes, I'm saving up for a car.
What kind of car are you planning to buy? I'm planning to buy a hybrid car.
You prefer summer over winter, don't you? Yes, I prefer summer over winter.
What do you like most about summer? I love going to the beach during summer.
You've never missed a flight, have you? No, I've never missed a flight.
How do you always make it on time? I always arrive at the airport early.
You enjoy gardening, don't you? Yes, I enjoy gardening.
What do you like to grow in your garden? I like to grow tomatoes and herbs.
You didn't go out last Friday, did you? No, I didn't go out last Friday.
Why did you stay in? I stayed in to relax and watch a movie.
You've written a poem before, haven't you? Yes, I've written a poem before.
What was your poem about? It was about the beauty of nature.
You don't watch much TV, do you? No, I don't watch much TV.
How do you prefer to spend your free time? I prefer reading books or hiking.
You're quite punctual, aren't you? Yes, I'm quite punctual.
Why is punctuality important to you? It shows respect for others' time.
You've been learning English for a year, haven't you? Yes, I've been learning English for a year.
How has your English improved? I can now hold a conversation comfortably.
You're not interested in politics, are you? No, I'm not very interested in politics.
What topics interest you? I'm more interested in science and technology.
You don't drink soda, do you? No, I don't drink soda.
Why don't you drink soda? Because I prefer water or juice.
You have class today, don't you? Yes, I have class today.
What subject is your class in? My class is in English.
You like animals, don't you? Yes, I like animals.
Which animal is your favorite? My favorite animal is a dog.
You live in the city, don't you? Yes, I live in the city.
Why do you like living in the city? Because it's close to my work.
You eat breakfast every day, don't you? Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you usually have for breakfast? I usually have eggs and toast.
You walk to school, don't you? Yes, I walk to school.
How long does it take you to walk to school? It takes about 15 minutes.
You're afraid of the dark, aren't you? No, I'm not afraid of the dark.
What are you afraid of? I'm afraid of spiders.
You have a best friend, don't you? Yes, I have a best friend.
What is your best friend's name? My best friend's name is Alex.
You watch cartoons, don't you? Yes, I watch cartoons.
Which cartoon is your favorite? My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry.
You help with the dishes, don't you? Yes, I help with the dishes.
Do you wash or dry the dishes? I usually dry the dishes.
You play outside after school, don't you? Yes, I play outside after school.
What do you like to play? I like to play soccer.
You wear glasses, don't you? No, I don't wear glasses.
Can you see well? Yes, I can see well.
You like candy, don't you? Yes, I like candy.
What kind of candy do you like? I like chocolate candy.
You don't like broccoli, do you? No, I don't like broccoli.
What vegetable do you like? I like carrots.
You know how to ride a bike, don't you? Yes, I know how to ride a bike.
Who taught you to ride a bike? My dad taught me.
You've seen a rainbow before, haven't you? Yes, I've seen a rainbow before.
What colors do you remember in the rainbow? I remember red, orange, and blue.
You go to bed early, don't you? Yes, I go to bed early.
What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 9 p.m.
You wear a uniform to school, don't you? Yes, I wear a uniform to school.
What color is your school uniform? My school uniform is blue and white.
She's coming to the party, isn't she? Yes, she's coming.
Who is she coming with? She's coming with her brother.
He won't mind if we're late, will he? No, he won't mind.
Why won't he mind? Because he's very easygoing.
You don't know the answer, do you? No, I don't know.
How will you find the answer? I will look it up online.
You can swim, can't you? Yes, I can swim.
Where did you learn to swim? I learned at the local pool.
She will help us, won't she? Yes, she will help.
How will she help us? By providing the information we need.
You've met my sister, haven't you? Yes, I've met her.
When did you meet her? I met her at your birthday party.
We shouldn't worry, should we? No, we shouldn't worry.
Why shouldn't we worry? Because everything is under control.
You used to live in London, didn't you? Yes, I used to live there.
Why did you move? I moved for a new job opportunity.
She speaks French, doesn't she? Yes, she speaks French.
How well does she speak it? She speaks it fluently.
They've finished the project, haven't they? Yes, they've finished.
When did they finish it? They finished it yesterday.
You're not tired, are you? No, I'm not tired.
What keeps you energized? Regular exercise keeps me energized.
You'll join us later, won't you? Yes, I'll join you.
What time will you join us? I'll join you after dinner.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!